Looking for virtualization but confused between Qubes OS and VirtualBox? Well, I tested both extensively and discovered something mind-blowing. One's like having a nuclear bunker, the other's like a Swiss Army knife, but choosing wrong could cost you everything. First, Qubes OS, the paranoid person's dream operating system. This isn't just virtualization software, it's an entire security-focused OS built on Zen hypervisor that treats everything as potentially dangerous. Every app runs in its own isolated virtual machine with color-coded borders. Red for untrusted, green for secure. Your browser can't spy on your banking, and malware in one app can't touch anything else. The reality check? You need serious hardware, minimum 16 gigabytes RAM, preferably 32 gigabytes. It's like running multiple computers simultaneously because, well, you literally are, but the security is absolutely bulletproof. Perfect if you're Edward Snowden or just really hate getting hacked. Then there's VirtualBox, Oracle's free virtualization Swiss Army knife that lets you run any operating system inside your current one. Want Windows on Mac? Linux on Windows? No problem. It's incredibly user-friendly. Create a VM, install an OS, and you're done. Perfect for testing software, running old programs, or trying different operating systems without commitment. The catch? It's built for convenience, not security. VMS share resources and can potentially access host system data. Plus, Windows 11's security features can slow it down significantly, sometimes making it crawl like a turtle. Hardware requirements are minimal, works on almost anything. But remember, one compromised VM could potentially affect your entire system. Here's the brutal truth after extensive testing. These aren't even the same category. It's like comparing a tank to a toolbox. Choose Qubes OS if security is your top priority, you have powerful hardware, and you're willing to sacrifice convenience for bulletproof isolation. It's your digital fortress. Choose VirtualBox if you need flexible virtualization, want user-friendly operation, have basic hardware, or just need to run multiple OS environments. It's your versatile playground. Bottom line, Qubes protects you from the world. VirtualBox lets you explore it safely. If this just saved you from a costly mistake, smash that subscribe. I'm revealing more tech secrets that could change your digital life.